Hi everyone, this is Bill with Hot Rod Collection in Dallas, North Texas. Boy, do we have a great car here for you today. This is a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. It's a really nice restoration, as you can tell, and it's been upgraded to the SS trim, and it is a 396 4-speed. An amazing car. You can see how beautiful this is. It is finished in the original ash gold color and also with a matching gold trim inside, and it's kind of got a greenish tint to it, so I don't know that ash gold is perfectly descriptive of the color, but it's just absolutely beautiful. Shines like a jewel, and everybody that sees this car is just like, wow, what color is that? It's amazing. Again, it's been upgraded with all the SS trim. It's got the nose stripe. It kind of continues about halfway down the side. It's got the 396 emblems on it, and down low you can see the front chin spoiler. Some of the Z28s and 68, 69 had that. This SS hood with the correct type vents on it. Of course, the badging is all there. And it's in beautiful shape, as you can see, everyone. Looking down here, you can see it's got the rally wheels, and these are the 7-inch versions that would have come on some of these cars, the SSs, the Z28s, and it also has gold line tires on it, and these are the modern type tire for a much nicer driving experience than the bias plies. And looking down the side, you could just see how straight and gorgeous the sheet metal is on this, and the paint, it just shines like a brand new car. It's really amazing when you look at it up close. So I would say it's one of these cars that just more than likely you're going to say, wow, it's better in person than it looked in the video. Let's take a look inside. We have the top down, so it's easy to see inside, and you know, we've got the bucket seats, the console, we got the gauge pack in the console there, and you have the clock. Just a nice package in the car. You've got the tilt steering wheel, wood tone steering wheel, nice seating there in the back, and then coming around to the outside here, again you can see the gold line modern radial tires, again the rally wheels. Here's another chance to look down the side of the car just to see how beautiful the finish is. Everywhere, top to bottom, in and out, the car is just really nicely done. So if you want to have yourself a brand new looking 68 Camaro, don't miss this one. They didn't miss a trick with this one. It's got the right kind of a SS spoiler in the back that some of the Camaros had. That was an option. The blacked out trim and the rear fascia panel, again, with the SS gas cap. Okay, and coming down this way, again, gives you a really nice view of the right side. And we have the stock type of brake package on it. It's got the front disc brakes and the drums in the rear. It's a very nice, powerful system. It stops very confidently, very smoothly, doesn't pull or anything. So it's really a nice driving car. It drives very much like a modern car. So this is really a classic you can buy and enjoy. Drive it on a daily basis if you want. Take it to Cars and Coffees, show and shines, whatever you want to do. This is the right car for it. We just put the top on this one, folks, and we wanted you to see how good this car looks with the top up. It also looks great with the top down, as you saw, but look at this. This is one of the few convertibles that looks good no matter which way you have the top. You're going to have fun driving this car, whether it's rain or shine, every day. This is made for driving this car. All right, we're here at the front of the car, and we're going to lift up the hood for you so you can see this beautifully detailed engine compartment. Look at that. This is a gorgeous engine. This is really one of the nicest looking engine compartments on any of the cars in this era. Uncluttered, nice and clean, easy to work on, easy to maintain. This particular one, it's a 396, and it has an Edelbrock aluminum manifold, Edelbrock carburetor with the stock type air cleaner on it, which was one of the best. In fact, it was one of the most widely copied air cleaners. There's so many aftermarket ones that look like that, but this is the stock air cleaner, so it's just beautiful. Over on the left side, you can see the power brake booster and the dual master cylinder. And you can look everywhere and just look and see how nicely detailed this engine compartment is. Just gorgeous. The right kind of finish on it, kind of a semi-gloss matte finish on the fender wells and firewall. That's very correct for the year of the car. And so again, it's just really like getting a brand new 68 Camaro if you get this one, folks. Hey, and while we're at it, let's turn the key on and hear this baby run. Look at that. It starts right up immediately and idles so smooth and so quiet. Unbelievable, like a brand new car. Listen to that one purr. 396, folks. 4-barrel, dual exhaust, Edelbrock carbon manifold. Just purring like a kitten. All right, we're ready to show you the underside of this beautiful 1968 Camaro 396 4-speed. Wow, it's just as clean on the bottom as it is on the top. Let's take a look. Starting from the front, we can see the suspension's been very nicely detailed. Again, you have the front disc brakes and the drum package. And of course, the big block 396 just fits in there beautifully. And it's very nice and clean. It's dry, there's no oil leaks. What's most important under here, folks, is there's no collision damage, there's no rust. It is really nice and solid, this car. The floorboards are just absolutely beautiful on it. The frame is very solid. Just really in good shape, this car. You'll see the dual exhaust going all the way out the back. And while we're mentioning that, let me point out these exhausts for you. Maybe you've never seen these, but these are the General Motors chambered exhaust that was a very rare option on Camaros. My 69 Z28 that I had from brand new was one of them. It had it, and so I was familiar with how these sounded and how they looked under here. And there's actually two sets. There's a set under here, and they crisscross in the back. We'll show you a little bit later when we get around to the gas tank. So very cool feature on this. So nice and clean under here. Again, the floorboards everywhere, just beautiful on this car. And then coming around to the back, you'll see it's had a reproduction of brand new gas tank put in. And again, the other set of the tubes for the chambered exhaust crisscross back here. And we have the 12-bolt GM rear end. A lot of people think that those are just bulletproof and things, and they've been proven in racing and they hold up really well. So this car has all the right stuff. The big block, the Muncie trans, 12-bolt rear. You are ready for some fun with this car for sure. From here, you can get another look at the spoiler in the back and the SS gas cap and the blacked out trim in the rear fascia. That was all part of the SS package. Okay, we'll come back under here. Again, the suspension is just so nicely detailed. There's no rust showing anywhere. And the paint under here, the floorboards, everything is just really, really nice. Again, the dual exhaust, your Muncie transmission. You've got the stock aluminum bell housing here. And of course, the Chevy orange paint that's standard on the small blocks and big blocks of this era. And if we come around the front, just take another look at just how nice this car is. Just looks like a brand new car underneath. It's ready to drive. Hey, look what we just pulled out of the garage. A 1968 396 4-speed Camaro convertible. Let's go for a ride. I get the top down, nice sunny day. Let's go. We are cruising along here. Really a nice smooth ride. Steers just wonderfully. Goes through the gears very smoothly. Brakes are strong. You feel very confident driving this car, and it sure is fun. Nice and quiet and smooth. Top down on a day like this is just absolutely what this car is made for. I think you're going to want to drive this car every day. I sure do. Goes around curves beautifully, handles very well. The advertisements for this car when it was new, they called it the little hugger, as if it was a little brother to a Corvette. That's how they marketed these things, and you can really feel it when you drive. It feels like a sports car almost, without the harsh ride, and